Hey guys, it's Des for T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing the new OnePlus Nord N10 5G and the OnePlus Nord N100. These are the first OnePlus Nord smartphones to be offered in the US, and we're going to dive inside the boxes, check all the specs, and give you a first look at these exciting new OnePlus devices coming to T-Mobile. First, let's check out the new OnePlus Nord N10 5G. This is OnePlus's most affordable 5G smartphone in the US to date, but you won't be making too many trade-offs to get a great 5G smartphone experience. Let's check out the specs. 5G capable on T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Great looks thanks to its 6.49-inch Full HD Plus 90Hz smooth display. Power with its 4300 mAh battery capable of fast charging with the included Warp Charge 30T charger. And you'll capture the world around you with its 64 megapixel main camera and quad camera system, including an ultra wide camera and a macro camera for those super close-up shots. Rounding out the specs are 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of onboard storage with a MicroSD card expansion slot. Also, you'll love the dual stereo speakers when you're listening to music or watching your favorite videos. Inside the box, we've got documentation, quick start guide, and your new T-Mobile SIM card, the new OnePlus Nord N10 5G, USB-C charging cable, and the Warp Charge 30T fast charger. If you're looking for 5G speeds and coverage at a more accessible price, the OnePlus Nord N10 5G should definitely be on your list. Now, of course, another solid option without the 5G connectivity is the new OnePlus Nord N100. With an even bigger 5000 mAh battery to get you through the day, the Nord N100 offers solid features to the value-conscious smartphone shopper. The Nord N100 includes 4G LTE connectivity on T-Mobile's nationwide network, a large 6.52-inch HD Plus display, triple camera system, 18-watt fast charging, 4 gigs of RAM, and 64 gigs of onboard storage with a MicroSD card expansion slot. The N100 also includes the same dual stereo speaker setup as seen on the Nord N10 5G. Of course, in the box you'll find the documentation and T-Mobile SIM card, the new Nord N100, a USB-C cable, and wall charger. Whether you're looking for T-Mobile 5G connectivity and Warp Charge 30T fast charging, or a bigger battery and larger display for watching videos in the palm of your hands, the new OnePlus Nord N10 5G and Nord N100 are worth checking out at your favorite T-Mobile store and T-Mobile.com. For more information, check out the links in the description below, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.